Of all the metals that either nature has gifted or mankind has formed, the one that humans are definitely proud to have come up with is stainless steel. Stainless steel is a vision. It's an evolution and a revolution, transforming a desert to a city, aspirations to reality. Almost everything today has stainless steel involved in it. Stainless steel is everywhere. Steel is life. It secures your dream, your today and your tomorrow. For no matter where life takes you, stainless steel ensures aesthetics, durability and safety all along the way. And one such company that has come a long way by dedicating itself towards the most widely used alloy in the world is SLS Tubes. From a trading house of repute with 45 years of experience, to a 6,000 metric tons producing steel company, to an ISO 9001-2000 certified company, SLS Tubes today has faced the tide of time and has emerged as one of the leading stainless steel tubes and pipes manufacturing company of India. Today, SLS Tubes is one of the most established manufacturers, exporters of superior quality steel and its allied products. So what has made SLS Group stay in the industry for more than 45 years and grow? Customer-centric approach, catering to the challenging requirements of diverse industry, leading by innovation, driven by technology, offering comprehensive range of products within stipulated time frame, superior quality products at competitive prices, better connected to different parts of the globe, constant inspections, testing processes and strictly implemented SOP to ensure smooth operation, a skilled team of experts to offer assured quality, healthy working atmosphere that increases productivity, their constant endeavor to stay eco-friendly as a part of their corporate social responsibility, its advanced technology machinery, specialized inspection and testing facilities, and state-of-the-art infrastructure results into voluminous and qualitative production. A specialized and well-equipped testing lab with constant analysis helps them maintain stringent quality control procedures. And with a vision to offer top-notch quality steel pipes and tubes around the world within the stipulated time, SLS is the leader in the production of stainless steel welded ERW pipes and tubes. Stainless steel seamless pipes and tubes, U-bend tubes, carbon steel and alloy steel pipes. But what makes SLS Tubes different? SLS is one of those rare companies which banks high on the precision quality of tubes and pipes used in high-tech applications like aircraft, nuclear power generator, marine engineering, refineries and others. So while others import it, they produce it here and supply it across the globe. Unlike many conventional pipe manufacturers who are highly disorganized, SLS has a very high amount of emphasis on quality, which is achieved through systematic and scientific approach and precision control over manufacturing process. It is this in-depth and professional practice under the stringent norms as per TPIA, API, PET and IBR requirements that has helped them cater to industries like shipbuilding, petrochemical, steel plant, refineries, chemical, fertilizers, defense, power plant, ports, railway, mining, cement, and with a project worth rupees 250 crore in the pipeline and acquisition of technology from the Western world, the group is definitely the one to look forward to in the coming years as a one-stop shop for any kind of stainless steel and alloy steel pipes and tubes. One line that sums up all that SLS Tubes is Just as chromium is to stainless steel, persistence is to SLS.